So today we have Thomas Storm Snow Adventure. This is the first time I'm about to set up this set. I mean for YouTube. So let's take a look. We have a long slope track, one straight track, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 curved track, and 3 slope tracks. And this building right here that has like snow, and if you push this, the pole falls off, so you reset it right here, lift that, and this tree right here, when the train or Thomas passes through, push the button right here and the tree falls down. See that again. Okay, let's set it up. So this Thomas right here, it looks a lot of rust on the wheels right here, and there's a very rust on this battery contact, so it might not run efficiently. Makes a little noise, but works. So let's see him in action. Right there. Okay. Alright, this set looks nice. This Thomas unfortunately needs some repair, but it's okay. I found it as it is in a box. I got it as from eBay. So this house right here in the snow, when Thomas pushes away, it makes the pole fall down, and it's a nice feature so the kids can just push this button right here and lift the pole again to repeat the action. There is no stop and go track on this set. And I see this tree right here is really nice, actually. Really nice, cool design that can be with the push of the button falls down. I mean, when the train passes on the track, falls down and swings either way. But unfortunately, this way Thomas gets stuck because of the design. That's the reason it's recommended going these ways. And it's really cool when the tree, you lift the tree, gets ready for the next action. The tunnel looks good, really good. Good design. I like it. I really like it. It's nice. Alright, we are ready for a close-up. See the details on the snow, of the snow on the roof, really nice. The pole right here, really cool action. The snow can swing either left or right or left. Really cool, excellent. Nice house. Okay, and this is dated, let me see, 2010 Mattel. Here's that little tree from the back. There are some screws in there. Nice mountain design and tunnel. Really cool. So this is a really nice set. If you guys can get it, go ahead and buy it. It's a really good set. I definitely recommend it, especially for the season that's winter's coming. Alright, hope you guys like it, and see you in the next video. Over and out.